Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to go through a simple process of determining some niche topics that you can think about for creating your videos. Now, if you go to google.com and you were to go to the search bar and you were to type in your area of expertise and then wait for Google Suggest to give you options, you'll see some of the most recent searches. For example, in this particular case, if we were to go to Google and we typed in WordPress membership, we would see at least 10 different options for us to start looking and do more searching if we were going to stay on Google. And of course, we would do the very same thing in YouTube. Now, in some cases, these searches will yield the same results. In other cases, there will be some overlap. In other cases, they will be totally different. What you want to do when you have determined some of the search terms that you want to start looking for, you'll want to go inside of Amazon Prime Video Direct, but we're going to do this a little differently. We're going to put in our search term. When we put in that search, what you're going to notice is you're going to notice some Kindle book activity. You'll see some physical copies of information, and then at the very bottom you'll also see that there is a listing here for Amazon Video Direct. You'll see some other activity for Amazon Video Direct. And so what you will begin to see is whether or not there is going to be room for you to place your video content on a specific search. And of course, we can find other Google starter search terms by using sites like Google Trends. So basically what we're doing is we're leveraging Google to find out what has been recently searched, and then we're working inside of the Amazon site to determine whether or not we can place content in those particular searches. And very often you'll see that depending on what your subject area is, your content may be all that will be in a specific classification. Now in some cases, if you do a search in association with Amazon Kindle, you will find some video associated with your subject. Although currently this is not typically the case, there are going to be times where you'll see video as a recommended item. For example, Amazon will show an individual featured recommendations based on their browsing history. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.